Please subscribe, like, and share.
Are you really serious about this?
Do you see me as a joke person? I'm asking you. Do you see me as a joke person?
Well, I'm surprised because 3.1 billion pounds. It's not a joke.
So money supposed to be given or to be owned by angels or ghosts?
You have that money?
No, I'm asking.
And I want to know whether you have that kind of money.
What have you noticed here? What have you witnessed here? The place you have just visited me. What have you witnessed? At the moment, we are bidding. So I don't want to talk a lot. My lawyers and my financiers are going. So once they finish everything, and I'm not the only person, so I don't want to talk too much, So once they they conclude, my financiers and my company, my team, we will sit down and we see.
Have you formally communicated your intent to the club, or I mean,
of course. My lawyer even is there now. My lawyer is there now. Yeah, my lawyer is there now. So leave it for them. It's not that they say we have the team. I asked you something, something small. I said, what have you witnessed here? The place you just visited here.
I know you have a huge mansion that I know.
It's not a mansion, it's a palace. It's not a mansion. I live in a mansion, but I live in the palace. This one is a palace. Don't worry. Let it go. We are bidding. If I'm lucky,
you have 3.1 billion pounds in your account.
If I'm lucky, I will have it.
But you have the money ready.
My people are there. We are about 15 people in total. Americans are about 10 people, Turkish, but I'm the only African who have showed that. Listen,
what is Wontumi's worth? What is Wontumi's worth?
I cannot tell you now. I'm a minor. I'm a minor, so this is what I can say.
And you're also looking forward to, that is, if you are successful, you are looking forward to signing Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi.
You are not buying the team for fun. I'm a businessman, so I have to, anything I do, I have to make sure I also benefited. My friend Abramovich, when he came to London, he bought it about maybe 160 million pounds. Now it has raised to 3 billion. This is what now he say, although it's a negotiable. We are trying to see how we will go about it. But once I buy it, I also have to put value on it, so that I also will benefit. It's not the money I'm throwing it out. This is what a lot of people
don't. Investment you are making.
It's not only investment. It's a positive investment. It's a positive investment, because if you bring Ronaldo, Messi, that Brazil guy, I call it Junior
Neymar.
No, Neymar. I don't want Neymar. The Real Madrid player, Vinicius Junior. If you bring all this package, probably at the moment maybe the coach can be there, or we will think about whoever. But the coach is doing well, We will try how to bring the package. And once we bring the package to be attractive, why not? You also will benefit whatever you want to.
Wontumi wants to buy Chelsea.
You are saying it. That's what you just said it. You have confirmed it.